Today I'm going to list you the 10 best vegetables to have high protein. Protein is crucial in any diet, and vegetables are here to maintain a healthy eating pattern. These vegetables won't give you that feeling like you're hungry the whole time and are very healthy. The other thing these vegetables have is lots of vitamins and minerals to keep your body healthy. So let's get started. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the vegetables that have high protein content, along with being low in calories. Moreover, broccoli will help with muscle gain and losing fat because it contains a nutrient called sulforaphane. It also can help detoxify the body of cancer-causing substances, which keeps the immune system strong so it can adequately fight infection. 1 cup 90 grams serving of raw chopped broccoli can provide 2.6 grams of protein. 2. Brussels sprouts. It's a very popular vegetable on the holiday table, but it's also filled with nutrients that can help your heart, hair, and teeth. The high protein level will help you build muscle, and these health benefits are just one of the many reasons why this is such a great vegetable to have in your diet. 3. Asparagus. You can get 1.4 to 6.3 grams of protein per 100 grams of asparagus, which is more than other vegetables. It's also easy to make asparagus not too soggy because it doesn't have a lot of water in it, and that makes it easier to eat for people who don't like vegetables that are too soft or mushy. 4. Kale. Although it is true that you can't always get vitamin A, B, or C with every meal, kale is pretty high in it. It also has a lot of potassium and protein, which helps to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. In addition to all this, the dark green color of kale's leaves makes the food look more appetizing, and its slightly bitter taste masks any natural flavors present in other types of vegetables. 5. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy green vegetables you can eat. Protein accounts for 30% of its calories. Spinach has a high amount of protein, and it's also a very low-calorie vegetable that's full of fiber, meaning it will fill your stomach and won't make you feel hungry soon after. 6. Artichokes. Yes, you read that right, protein is found in artichokes. Your favorite dish might be a bit healthier than you thought. 1 cup of boiled artichokes contains about 10 grams of protein. 7. Beans. Beans are highly nutritious. They are loaded with protein, vitamin C, and fiber, potassium, and manganese. The antioxidant levels are also much higher than in other foods. You can have beans as a main dish or as a side dish for your meals. Beans can be added to salads or used to make vegetarian dishes like hummus dips or veggie burgers. 8. Bok choy. Really, it's just an easy way to get your daily protein requirement. No need to hassle with many complicated recipes and cooking extra food. This vegetable is a quick way around all of that. 70 grams of Chinese cabbage contains 1 gram of protein. 9. Green peas. I'm going to tell you why green peas is one of the best vegetables to have protein. Green peas are a key ingredient to many dishes and can be used as a side dish or added to salads. The nutritional value of peas is impressive. They contain protein, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and magnesium. Yes, all that. 10. Carrots. Carrots are high in vitamins A and K, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. They're also rich in the antioxidant lycopene, which is important for prostate prevention. They contain lots of fiber and potassium, 2 things that help manage weight and lower blood pressure. With that, you have all you need to get lots of protein through vegetables. If you're ready to add some to your diet, don't hesitate to give us some personal feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.